Namaste, good afternoon and welcome to you all here on our radio educational program which is sponsored by Nepal Police School with media partner Radio Madras Masala 106.4 MHz. Okay, it's me here, Santosh Kumar Thakur with class 4 maths, okay? And in class 4 maths, we are learning fraction. Or in our previous class, or that means on last Friday, we learned about addition of unlike fractions. Yes. So today here we are going to learn about subtraction of unlike fractions. Okay. Subtraction of unlike fractions. So students, here is no any changing in subtraction of unlike fractions. Yes, we should follow the same rule. Okay, which we used in the addition of unlike fractions. Yes, so don't be confused. We should go through the same method. Okay, so here we have the method. Yes, in first, yes, take the LCM of the denominators. Take the LCM of the denominators. Yes, take the LCM of the denominators. Yes, in the same way. From the given fractions, we should identify or find out the denominators of that fractions, and then after we should take out or find the LCM of that denominators. Okay. Then after, we should convert them. Convert okay, them into like fractions. Okay, into like fractions. So students, as you know, we find the LCM of denominators when we convert the given unlike fraction into like fraction only. Yes, so that what in the first, after finding the LCM of the denominators of the given fractions, yes, we should convert them into like fractions. Yes, so and then after, in the third or the last, yes, we should use formula what? Difference of like fractions is equal to difference of numerator by denominator. Yes, students. So here, okay, these are the three rules that we need to follow to subtract or to find the difference of unlike fractions. Yes, first we should take the LCM of the denominators, then after we should convert them into like fractions, and at last we should use the formula, of the difference of like fractions which is equal to difference of numerator by denominator. Okay, difference of numerators by denominators. Yes. So here, okay, for this, let's some example. Okay, let's take some example here, and we have the examples like this. Suppose in the first, okay, we have given here 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. Yes. So students, first, state whether the given fractions are like fractions or unlike fractions. Yes. Because there in your exam won't be given find the LCM or find the difference of like fraction or unlike fractions. Yes. They are only given find the difference of the following fractions. So that first thing that you need to remember is you have to find state whether first even the given fractions are like or unlike fractions. Yes. So that for the unlike fractions, as we know, yes, the fractions having different base. Yes, the fractions having different bases, also denominators are unlike fractions. So here we can find that easily. The first fractions have base 2 and second has 3. Yes. So that what? These two fractions have different bases. Denominators. So that these fractions are what? Unlike fractions. Yes. So that what? First, then after, before solving solving these fractions, we have to take the LCM of the denominators. So what are the denominators here? 2 and 3. Okay, 2 and 3. So we have to find the LCM of 2 and 3 here. So here 2 and 3. Yes. Is there any common number that can divide the both? No. So that we can divide it by the separate number 3, and they are both are the, yes. Here we can find both number 2 and 3 are prime numbers. Yes. So that we can multiply them with each other. Yes. To find LCM. Okay. To find LCM, if the two numbers given numbers are what prime number, then we can multiply them with each other. Yes. Or otherwise we can get the same product. Yes, here 2 1 are 2, 3 3 1 are 3. Yes, here so 2 into 3 into 1 into 1, we got 6 here. So what is our LCM? 6. Then what? We need to make the denominator same or equal to our LCM 6. Yes. So here students, don't be confused. Yes. Solution. Yes. Solution of 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. Here, yes, first we need to convert them into like fractions. Yes. By making the denominator same or equal. Yes. So that what? We should make the denominators equal to 6. Yes. So here we should do like this: 1 by 2 into, by what number 2 multiplied to be 6? Yes. First we need to find that. Yes. So here 2 1 are 2, 2 2 are 4, 2 3 are 6. It means what? When 2 multiplied by 3, it becomes 6. So that what? We should multiply 2 by 3, then also 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3 into, and by what number 3 is multiplied to be 6? Yes. So 3 1 are 3, 3 2 are 6. It means what? 3 is multiplied by 2. So here we put 2. So equal to 1 3 are 3, by 2 3 are 6, minus 2 and the 2, by 3 2 are 6. Here both have the same denominators, 6 and 6. Okay, don't be confused. Yes. First we need to take the LCM of the denominators of the fractions. Then after we should change them into like fractions. Yes, and we have like fraction 3 by 6 minus 2 by 6. Yes, so both have the like fractions. Then we should use the formula. Difference of like fraction is equal to difference of numerators by denominators. So here, what are the numerators? 3 and 2. So difference of numerators. So it means what? 3 minus 2. Yes, by what is the denominator? Both have the 6 and 6. So that we should write only one from them. So 6 here is equal to 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. And there is 6 as denominator. So 6. 1 by 6 is the answer. Okay. I hope you are understanding about it. Yes. Take other example. Okay. Let's do another example. In other example, we have given questions like this. 7 by 10 minus 2 by 5. Okay. 7 by 10 minus 5 by 2. So 2 by 5. Solution. Here 7 by 10 minus 2 by 5. In the same way, students, first upon we should take the LCM of the given denominators. So what are the denominators? 5, 10 and 5. So at first we need to find the LCM of these two denominators because they are unlike fraction. So here 10, 5. Yes, both number can divide by 5. Yes, so that we can divide it by 5 first. So 5 to the 10, 5 1 the 5. The LCM is equal to what? 5 into 2 into 1 is equal to what? 10. So our LCM becomes 10. So that what? We should make the denominators 10 to convert them into like fraction. Yes, as you know. Yes, after taking LCM, we should convert them into like fraction. So here we are going to convert the two fractions 7 by 10 minus 2 by 5 into like fraction. So here is equal to 7 by 10. Okay. So by what number 10 multiplied to be what? Like fraction. Yes. So when 10 is multiplied by 1, we got the LCM 10. That means same to 10. Okay. So here when we multiply the denominator by 1, then we should also multiply by the numerator by 1. In the same way, minus 2 by 5. Okay. So by what number 5 multiplied? Okay. To be equals to 10 or the number LCM. Okay. So here 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10. It means what? When 5 is multiplied by 2, it becomes equal to 10, which is our LCM. Okay. So that 5 into 2, it means also numerator 2 into 2. Okay. So here we got 7 on the 7 by 10 on the 10 minus 2 to the 4 by 5 to the 10. Altogether we have the same denominator of the both fractions. Yes, and when the fractions are the same denominators, they are called like fractions. And for the difference of like fractions, we can use the formula. Difference of like fractions is equal to difference of numerators by denominators. So don't be confused. Okay, practice your book as more as possible. Okay. So here we have the difference of numerator. It means what? Numerators are 7 and 4. So 7 minus 4, and by denominators we have 10 as denominator. So by 10 is equal to what? 7 minus 4 is equal to 3 by 10. Okay? 3 by 10. It means what? First we got the LCM of the denominators, then we convert them into like fractions, then we use the formula difference of numerators by denominators. No any changing. These all are similar to the addition of unlike fractions. Yes, there only we use the minus or subtraction. Instead, plus. Okay. So then after, take another example also. Okay, we have other example like this. We need to erase these all for other example. Yes, I hope you have copied these all. So students, keep listening carefully. Okay, don't look here or there. Okay, focus here. Okay, because without focus you can't learn anything. Okay, I am trying to give my best to you. Okay, so here question number C, or that means the next questions is next questions. That is, our question is in words. Okay, so we need to write that here. Anita's water bottle can hold a total of okay 3/5 liter of water okay. Manoj water bottle can hold, yes, Manoj water bottle can hold a total of 3/4 liter of water is by how much does Manoj water bottle okay bottle hold more water is than Anita's. Yes. So first you need to read the question carefully. Yes. Give focus, your all focus on the questions. Yes. Then after start to solve. Okay. So here we have given. Okay. So in solution we have given Anita's water bottle can hold a total of 3/5 liter of water. Yes. So here we can write water holding by Anita's bottle is equal to what? What is the fraction that Anita's bottle holds water? 3/5. Yes. So here we can write 3/5 liter. 3/5 liter. Yes. Then here again water holding by Manoj bottle S is equal to how much water does Manoj bottle hold? Yes, 3 by 4. So here we can write 3 by 4 liter. Yes. Now, what is the question? Our question is asking that by how much Manoj's water bottle, Manoj's water bottle holds more water than Anita's. Yes. Which one is greater? Manoj's water bottles. Yes. Because in the questions, okay, Manoj's water bottle is giving more quantity here. So that we can do like this here. Here is 3 by 4 minus 3 by 5. And as you know, we should subtract the smaller from greater or bigger. So that what here, according to the questions, Manoj's water bottle holds more water than Anita's water bottle. It means what? Anita's, according to that questions, Anita's water bottles is smaller than Manoj's water bottle. So that what? We should subtract from the holding capacity of Manoj's water bottle to Anita's water bottle. So here, these are also unlike fractions, so we can take the LCM of that. So when we take LCM of 4 and 5, we got 2 is 4, 5, S 2 1 is 2, 5, 5 1 is 5, S is equal to 2 into 2 into 5 into 1 into 1 is equal to altogether 5 for the 20. Yes, our LCM becomes 20, and then after we use the same method that we follow over there. So here 3 by 4, yes, and by what number 4 multiplied to be 20? 5. Then again we should multiply the numerator by 5, then minus, yes, 3 by 5, and again we should multiply the 5 by 4 to make 20. So here 5 3 is 15 by 20 minus 3 4 is 12 by 20. Yes. Then after what? We should use the formula. Yes, difference of numerator by denominator. So difference of numerator is 15 minus 12. 15 minus 12 by what? 20 is equal to, we got 15 minus 12 is equal to 3 by 20 liter. And then conclusion, we should write hence is by 3 by 20 liter of water is Manoj's water bottle hold more water than Anita's. Yes. So in this way we can solve this type of questions. Yes. And after this much, this is the time for homework assignment. Okay. So that you need to take out your copy and pencil to write the homework. Yes. I hope you are understanding about the subtraction of unlike fractions. And after this all, write your homework. Okay. So your homework is like this. Okay. Question number 1. Your homework. Find the difference of these fractions. Yes, and you have given question number A. Okay. 5 by 8 minus 1 by 4. Question number B. 4 by 7 minus 5 by 14. Okay, and question number C is Shobha buys is 5 by 6 kg. Shobha buys 5 by 6 kg of apples. Is Binay buys 4 by 9 kg of apples. Is oranges by how much does Shubha buy more fruits than Binay? And after this much, now this is time to leave class 4. I hope you can do these all homeworks. Yes, and by taking this hope, I would like to leave the class 4, and we will be here after this short break. So you need to listen, keep listening this program. Okay, thank you.
रेडियो मधेश मसला 106.4 मेगाहर्ट्ज में अब समय है व्यापारिक विश्राम के। तब तक अपने भी हाथ साबुन पानी से मल के धो के आओ। कोरोना वायरस से अपने भी बचो और दूसरों के बचाओ।
कोविड-19 अर्थात कोरोना वायरस रोग के मुख्य लक्षण सब 100.4 डिग्री फ़ारेनहाइट से बेसी बुखार आवे के, खोखी लागे के, सांस फेरे में दिक्कत होए के। अपांगता भेल व्यक्ति सब के लेल कोरोना वायरस के संक्रमण से बचे के उपाय सब। बुखार आवे के, खोखी लागे के, चाहे सांस फेरे में दिक्कत भेल व्यक्ति सब से सहायक सामग्री सब दूर राखू। वैसन व्यक्ति के संपर्क में अयला पर प्रयोग करे से पहले अल्कोहल युक्त सैनिटाइजर के प्रयोग करके कीटाणु रहित करू। सहायक सामग्री के हाथ से पकड़ के राखे वाला जगह सब में जैसे व्हील चेयर के पुश रिंग, पुश हैंडल, आ ब्रेक, बैसाखी, छड़ी पकड़े वाला जगह, चश्मा आ श्रवण यंत्र बारंबार साफ करू। खोखला पर आ हाथ कैला पर नाक आ मुंह की होनी चाहे टिश्यू पेपर से तोपू। आ प्रयोग कैले टिश्यू पेपर के झाकना भेल फोहर फेंके वाला बर्तन चाहे डस्टबिन में फेंकू। रेख देख करे वाला व्यक्ति सेवा देला पर जैसे सुतावे के, उठावे के, शौचालय ले जाए के, खियावे के, साफ कर देवे के जैसन काम सब करे से पहले आ कैला के बाद अपन हाथ सबके साबुन पानी से धो। सर सफाई के लेल महत्वपूर्ण सामग्री सब जैसे साबुन, सैनिटाइजर, टिश्यू पेपर आ झाकना भेल फोहर फेंके वाला बर्तन चाहे डस्टबिन अपन जोरे राखू। स्वास्थ्य संबंधी कारण से नियमित प्रयोग करे वाला दवाई चाहे उपकरण सब जोगा के रखू। अपने भीड़ भाड़ में न जाऊ आ अपना सहयोगी या परिवार के सदस्य सबके भी भीड़ भाड़ में न जायला सुझाव दियो। अपना चाहे सहयोगी के बुखार अयला पर, खोखी लगला पर चाहे सांस फेरे में दिक्कत होइत है तो ऐसन अवस्था में सहयोग न लेके दोनों जना तुरंत नजदीक के तोकल गेल स्वास्थ्य केंद्र में संपर्क करू। कोरोना वायरस रोग के बारे में थप जानकारी के लिए 1115 चाहे 1133 में संपर्क करू।
USAID के सहयोग में राष्ट्रीय स्वास्थ्य शिक्षा सूचना तथा संचार केंद्र, एपिडेमियोलॉजी तथा रोग नियंत्रण महाशाखा, विश्व स्वास्थ्य संगठन, हैंडीकैप इंटरनेशनल, राष्ट्रीय अपांग महासंघ आ प्रेरणा शारीरिक पुनर्स्थापना केंद्र मलंगवा सरलाही द्वारा जनहित में जारी संदेश।
सूचना सूचना सूचना
इलाका प्रहरी कार्यालय गरुड़ा के अत्यंत जरूरी सूचना। अभी विश्व व्यापी रूप में फैलल कोरोना वायरस केकरो भी हो सकता है। वही से कोरोना वायरस से बचो। अनिवार्य सामाजिक दूरी कमती में 2 मीटर कायम राखू। नियमित रूप में गुणस्तरीय मास्क के विधिवत प्रयोग करू। बिना काम के अनावश्यक हाट बाजार तथा भीड़ भाड़ होए वाला स्थान में न जाओ। बेर बेर साबुन पानी से निमन से मलमल के हाथ धो। गुणस्तरीय सैनिटाइजर के प्रयोग करू। मोटरसाइकिल आ स्कूटर में एक जना मात्र सवार हो। सवारी साधन में समेत सामाजिक दूरी कायम करू। मास्क न लगा के कहीं भी गेला पर या रास्ता में चलला पर सावन 12 गते से रु 100 रुपया जरिवाना होई। ओही से कोविड-19 नियंत्रण में व्यक्तिगत सुरक्षा प्रति सचेत हो। अनुरोध करता इलाका प्रहरी कार्यालय गरुड़ा रौतहट।
The Voice of Mid-Tarai रेडियो मधेश मसला 106.4।
Okay, namaste, good afternoon and welcome you all here again. And now I am here with class 5 math. Okay, and class 5 maths is today we are going to learn about multiplication of algebraic expressions. About multiplication, okay, of algebraic expressions. Okay, so here in the multiplication we should follow some rule. Okay, in algebraic expression we should follow some rules before multiply the numbers or the expressions. Yes, so here students, before entering in exercise or before giving you any examples, yes, now I am we are going to discuss on some different sign rules, okay, which is used to multiply the different algebraic expressions. So here sign rules for multiplications are here. Sign rules of multiplication. Sign rules of multiplication. Yes. So here, as you know, I think, yes, as you know all about the sign rules. Yes. But let's discuss on that. Suppose you have given any terms. Okay. If you have given any terms in the form of plus or positive, and which is multiplied by also a positive number or the terms, then the product is equal to also comes in positive. Yes. Suppose when we multiply 2x into 3y, then our answer becomes what? 2 3 ja 6 and xy. Okay. If one terms hold plus and another terms also hold plus, then our product also hold plus sign. Okay. So don't be confused here. If suppose if 2 multiplied by 3, yes, there is no sign, it means plus, and also in front of 3 there is no sign, it means plus sign, and between them both numbers there is given what? Multiply or multiplication sign. Yes. So in the multiplication of two positive number is our product is also comes in positive. Yes, there is no sign, it means plus. Okay. In the same way, minus multiply minus is equal to plus. Minus multiply minus is equal to plus. Okay, don't be confused here. Yes, again let minus 2x into minus 3y. Yes, both have minus. Yes, then the minus would be cancelled and the numbers would be multiplied. So 2 3 is 6 xy. It means again we can let example of numbers 2 into minus 3. So students, look here and listen to me very carefully. Okay, here is both the number have here minus sign. Okay, minus 2 and minus 3. So that what we can say that their product becomes also in positive. Yes, minus into minus becomes plus, and there becomes product. That means plus into 2 into 3 is equal to 6. There is no sign, it means it's indicating plus sign. That means positive 6. In the same way, minus into plus is equal to minus. Yes, when minus number is multiplied by plus number, or minus term is multiplied by plus sign, plus term, the answer would become in negative or minus. Yes. So here, student, suppose minus 2x into 3y. We are repeating the same example, same numbers. Okay. So here minus into, there is no sign, it means plus, is equal to minus, and we need to multiply them. So 2 3 is 6 xy. Yes. 2 is 6 and xy. The same way, suppose minus 2 into 3. So between minus 2 and 3 there is multiplication sign, so we should multiply the number. There, and the same way minus into plus is equal to minus and 6. Okay, don't be confused. The same way here we have plus into minus is equal to also minus. And for this, we have given here 2x is multiplied with minus 3y. Okay, here in front of 2x there is no sign, it means plus, and in front of 3y there is minus sign, so plus into minus, we have minus, and 2 3 are 6 xy. In the same way, 2 into minus 3 is equal to plus into minus, minus 2 3 are 6. So students, we use all the sign rules of multiplication while doing the multiplication of different algebraic expressions or integers too. Okay, so here after this all, I hope you understood about these sign rules, and I hope you will follow, you can follow these multiplication or sign rules while multiplicating different numbers or expressions. Okay, so after this all, okay, now we are going to talk about multiplication of monomial expressions. Students, don't go. Okay, stay here, listen and watch carefully the videos or the program and try to understand the things that we are learning here. Okay, so we have here multiplication of monomial expressions. Okay, multiplication of monomial expression. Multiplication of monomial expressions. So students, memorize the thing that you have learned already. Okay, in the type of algebraic expressions is monomial is the first algebraic expression. Okay, having only one terms is only one terms is. So for that we have some rules for that. Okay, when we multiply monomial expression, okay, or monomial algebraic expressions, okay, we should multiply the coefficient of the bases and the power of the same bases should be added. Okay, suppose here we have the rules, some rules here. Okay, first we should multiply the sign. Okay, multiply the signs, that means use sign rule and give the proper sign. Okay, in first upon before while multiplying the algebraic expression or terms or monomial expressions, first we need to multiply the sign. Okay, how? By using the sign rule to put or to give the proper sign. Okay, whether plus or minus. In the same way, then after, okay, multiply the coefficient of the bases. Okay, multiply the coefficient of the bases. Okay, then after this all add the powers if the bases are same. Yes, students, don't be confused here. I will give you examples. Okay, if the bases are same. Yes, we should add the powers of the base if they are same. Yes, in the same way, multiply the bases if they are different. Okay, if the given bases are different, on the time what we should also multiply the base. That means we should write the same base properly. Okay, so here for these all, after these all, I hope you understood about it. Okay, after solving some questions. Okay, so let's solve some questions. Suppose from the first, okay, multiply the sign rule. Suppose here minus 3x into minus 3x into 7x. Okay, students, look here carefully. We have given two terms. One is minus 3x, another is 7x, and between them there is given multiplication sign. It means we should multiply the both terms. Okay, monomial terms. So here first we should apply or use the sign rule. So that means use the multiply of signs. So here in front of 7 there is no any sign given, means not. Okay, it means what? There is with sign, plus sign. Yes, so that minus into plus, multiply the signs. So now we are multiplying the sign, minus into plus. There is no sign, it means in front of 7 there is plus sign. Okay, so minus into plus is equal to what? Minus. Remember this thing, you should do in the same way. Minus into plus, minus. Yes, then after multiply the coefficients of the bases. So what are the bases? X and X in both. So here after this multiplication of signs, we should multiply between the coefficient. So in the first there is 3 and in the second there is 7 as coefficient. So 3 into 7, 21. 21. I hope you are understanding about it. Yes. Then after x in the first and in the second also there is x. So look here in the third number, add the powers if the bases are same. Is add the power if the bases are same. So don't confuse here. There is no power, both have the same base, x and x, and there is no power on the head of the base. It means we suppose there is one power. Okay, no power means there is one power. Okay, so that what? 1 plus 1 is equal to how many? 1 and 1, 2. We got 2. So x to the power what? 2. I hope you understood about it. Okay. Here, again take this other example. Suppose we have given 3x into minus 7x. Yes, we can't write two symbols, two signs in the same place, so that we should separate minus 7x, okay, and here, and then after here there is no sign in front of 6, okay, it means there is plus sign, so plus into minus, we got minus here, and then after we should multiply the coefficient. 7 into 3 into 7, 21, and there is no power on x, it means 1. It means what? X into x, x, and 1 plus 1, 2. I hope you understood about it. How can you do this? You know. Yes. Then after, okay, then after, write other example of different base. Suppose we have given 5x into, okay, 4y. So students, here there is no sign, it means plus sign, and there is also no sign, it means plus sign. So plus into plus, plus. We don't need to write plus sign. No sign, it means plus. Okay, so here plus sign, and then after we should multiply between the coefficients. So 4 into 5, it means 20, and then after we have the different signs. So for the different sign, we have given multiply the bases if they are different. So when we multiply x and y, we got x, y. So our answer becomes 20x plus 20xy. We don't need to write plus in front of the positive number, so that we should erase the plus. Then our answer becomes 20xy. In this way, I hope you can do this type of questions. And after this all, now this is the time for homeworks. So for the homework, you have to take your pencil and copy. For homework, you have given here, write the sign rules of multiplication and learn them. Okay. Question number 2. Find the product of these monomial expressions. Monomial expressions. Okay, you have given question number A of 2. Okay, 5p into 4p. Question number B, 2p square into 5p. Question number C, 6m into 2n. Okay. Question number D, minus 3q into minus 4r. Okay, after this all, I hope you can do this all homeworks carefully. Okay, and I hope also you understood about the today's class. Okay, after this all, now this is time to leave class 5. Okay, so at last I would like to thank you all for listening and watching our radio education program, which is sponsored by Nepal Police School, Gaura Rohtak. Yes, in the same way, I would like to thank our technician friends, RJ Suraj Narayan Jha, to support me to run this program successfully. Okay, at last, be safe and keep listening Radio Madras Masala 106.4 MHz. Take care, bye bye.